to Chicmas day 11. Happy Saturday. Since this is going up the next day, I hope you guys are having a great start to your weekend. Today was a very unproductive type of day, and it's a type where, you know, at the end of the day, you don't feel like you accomplished anything, and it was not on the schedule. Have everything written out in my planner, like all my to-dos for the day, cross it out if I accomplished that goal for the day, and that went all out the door because I chose to start binge watching The Wilds on Amazon Prime. I'm currently on episode 4, but I guess, you know, you can't be too hard on yourself. You know, you have to give yourself at least like a day of rest, like a, you know, you need a break too, right? Just realized I didn't really share with you what was in the box that I picked up from my P.O. box the other day, and then I received something else, I think it was 2 days ago. Let us see here. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Cool! Look! We got some alcohol! Oh. It's my dad's phone. It's from the brand Maha. The Maha Organic Hard Seltzer, black cherry, real fruit juice, water, malted barley, cascara, sea salt, Maha's proprietary blend, designed for a balanced lifestyle full of flavor. Ooh, this contains 110 calories per can. Black cherry, tangerine yuzu, also have raspberry. Thank you so much, Maha, for sending this over. I feel like it would only be fair if these were chilled, so let's actually pop this into the freezer. I really want to try tangerine yuzu. Let's go pop this into the freezer right now. All right, pop it all the way up there. The next one, this is from It Cosmetics. Oh, the new Hello Result Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum in Cream. Retinol starts to reach at least 15 layers 1 hour into skin's surfaces. They always send the most thoughtful PR packages. Recently, I started getting into retinol. When I say recently, as in this year, from Pixie Beauty, and my skin really agreed with that. So I'm curious to try this out. I like the packaging. I love how it's kind of like, you know, it has one of these kind of pumps on it. So thank you so much, It Cosmetics. I will definitely have to give this a try. What else? Oh my God, Jonathan, there's a huge spider. It's a big spider. Oh my, there's a huge spider on the sofa. It was like in the little cracks. Oh my gosh, you know those suckers, like if you try to kill a spider and you don't kill it, that thing will bite you. It will like remember you. It will come back for you with a vengeance. Holy crap. Okay, let's move. Let's move. Just got the chills. Oh, comment below. Are you guys terrified of spiders as much as I am? I mean, it could be like the smallest little itty bittiest little spider and it will still freak me out. Let me just point out where exactly the spider was. So it was on top of the blanket and then it crawled right into the little crevice of the sofa. That being said, when I was sitting there just a few minutes ago, that thing was like tucked away somewhere. Game plan until the drink is cold. We are going to watch a few episodes of The Wilds, and then we're gonna come back later and then do our tea time because I really want to try out the alcohol. I mean, it's Friday. I had to re-upload Chicmas day 10 because our internet is just not working correctly. It's been really slow, so it's in the process right now. We have 14 minutes left for uploading, so I think I'm gonna watch an episode of The Wilds, and we are now starting episode 5. So it's the next morning. Finished The Wilds series on Amazon Video. Fell asleep. I don't even know how that happened. And then this morning, I slept in till about 8 o'clock. Normally, I've been waking up around 6:30 in the morning. We kind of fell off track yesterday, so at least we got it out of our system. Binge watch the series, which is not happening again, especially during Chicmas. And yeah, now we can move on from it. So let's just start our day with tea with tin. Day number 11 from the English Tea Shop Advent Calendar. Cloves. Ghostly green. See, I knew it had something green in it. Organic green tea, organic cinnamon, pieces, organic ginger, natural flavoring, organic peppermint leaves, organic rose petals. Open one of the Trader Joe's Advent of the Cocktail Hour Advent Calendar. Number 11. It's right here. Please. Oh my gosh, please. Give me something else. Give me something else. Oh, thank you for the different chocolate. Okay, so it smells like dark chocolate. All right. Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn, day number 11. Right up here. Our joke of the day. What do you call someone who's crazy about corn? A carnivore. Today's popcorn, classic caramel popcorn. Before we try our tea, chocolate, and popcorn, just wanted to let you know there is a giveaway in this video. Check the link down below. It says blog post. It's a little bit farther down with all like my socials, but it says blog post. Click that and it'll take you to a form to fill out, and it's really simple. It's the easiest way for me to contact you. Just fill out that form and choose which prize. Love to send this out on Mondays, so you know, you have until, I guess, really till tomorrow. Let's go ahead and try our tea. It hasn't brewed that long, so it's okay. It's alright, ghostly green's okay. Damn, our chocolate. Let's try our popcorn. We'll get 2 pieces. So let's go through comments from Chicmas day 9. And we're gonna go with Jill. Hi Jill, I'm sorry, I think I'm gonna end up butchering your last names. My apologies. Hey Christine, where did you get your iPhone 12? It's so expensive. And she also says, I'm waiting for the boba fleece blanket. Our service provider for our cell phone are AT&T, so we got it through them. But honestly, if it were not for the trade-in program, where we can get credit for our new phones, or not our new phones, for our old phones, we wouldn't have upgraded to the 12 or even the 12 Pro. Because yes, I definitely agree, it is expensive. So having that $350 discount really does make a huge difference. Plus, I think we also upgraded our plan a bit, changed our plans from what we had before. So I think we pay a small amount each month compared to what it's really supposed to be. I think the normal cost would have been like 30 something a month, but then for Jonathan's and my mom's phone, we end up paying like, I think like 14. And then for this one, which is under Jonathan's line, the 12 Pro, but you know, it doesn't really matter, right, when whoever receives the phone. So with this one, I think we're gonna pay, if we get the full credit after they check the old phones for the trade-in program. This one will cost us about like $6 and some change a month. Thank you so much, Jill, for commenting. And yes, your blanket is on its way to you. I think you should receive it maybe today. Lovely Abby's. Hi Abby. Amazing unboxing on your newest iPhone Pro. I hope you had an amazing day. The gold color looks stunning. Thank you so much for commenting, Abby. And yes, oh my gosh, I love the gold color. Could have probably just gone with any of the other colors. Was it the silver? But I really wanted the gold, but ironically it's the thing you can't really see on the phone now because it's covered by the phone case, but it's okay. But thank you so much for commenting, Abby. I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas Day 11 here, and we're gonna start Chicmas Day 12. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and don't forget to check out the link down below for the international giveaway. Really simple to enter. Hold on, this is Darren. So anyway, chickies, I hope you had a great day today. If you enjoyed hanging out today and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you later for Chicmas Day 12.